My boss makes $1, I make a dime. That's why I take a from company signs. Get her done.
Hi, welcome to my channel. Dude, right when I'm pissing, really?
This is just a customer, ended up having a blown turbo, so he used the opportunity to get an upgrade. I believe it's the Beyond Redline manifolds, Garrett GT3071. Some of the install customer did, some of the install we did. Came back for a little bit of tuning, so we'll do a couple pulls for you and you could hear what it sounds like.
Bro, you can't be recording me all the time. I feel like a Kardashian right now.
Yeah, baby. Wow. Ooh, yeah. Yeah.